Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we are standard 10th English medium subject science. Now start a new chapter, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. Chapter name is Periodic Classification of Element. Periodic classification of element. In this chapter, we have to study about characteristic and how to invent periodic table. So from top to bottom, it means initial time to modern periodic time. All detail can be studied in chapter. So now friends, you study in standard 9th matter. Matter means its substance contain fixed mass and volume. So it's considered as a matters. And in the matters, you also study in chapter number 2, 9th science. In the matter, presence element, compound, mixture, and the element, compound, mixture all are present in matter. But element, it means only one type of atom can be present in element. For example, so is an example of element. So any element for so is on only one type of atom can be present in elements. Only one type of all atoms is only one type. All are same in a element structure. So this is called element. Now in presence total 118 elements are available in this time. So total 118 elements are present in now. In 118 elements, 94 elements are naturally occurs. 94 are naturally occurs and remains element, it means 24. 24 are artificial element. 24 and 94 are naturally occurs element out of 118 elements. Now different element can be different element contain all element contain different property according to their elements. So according to their different properties, characteristic, chemical, physical properties, so arrangement of this element according to these properties are different. So different property can divide element into different positions in periodic tables. Basic number of element in case means here we can study in this chapter. So characteristic of element and how can you divide element into one position to another position. You can, it means fixed position of element in periodic table according to their different properties. So now first atom of this element in this time. So in initial time, not here 118 elements are present for invention. So the generally we can study example. For example, you can visit or here separated all corners. It means one corner is a soft corners, another is biscuits, another is for another related topics in another corner. So all corners can be separated to according to this characteristic. It means soft, easy, all type of soft can be here at one corner, at one position on one box. Another is a biscuits, cold drinks. So this type of all corner can be divided parts. So it can be easily separated and easily can take away from this position, this place. So according to this sense, here same method can be applied. Means all element of position at a different according to their characteristic. So first scientist to describe or distinguish this element is name is Dobenius, and this Dobenius get triads of elements. So first scientist name is Dobenius. And this scientist name triads of elements. It means three triads. It means three element combined form according to their average of atomic mass. So in 1817, so Dobenius gets start to study of element and then divide into different parts. So atomic mass, suppose he tries to solve here lithium, sodium and potassium. So you can take one lithium, sodium and potassium is triads. So atomic number of this lithium, so atomic mass of this atomic mass of lithium is similar to 7, it means 6.9. According to atomic mass is most important words. Dobenius triads can be arranged element according to their average atomic mass. It means take two elements. First lithium, atomic mass is equal to 6.9. Another substance can be taken out. Sodium, its atomic mass is 23.0, and another potassium 39.0. So here addition of these two atoms, it means 39 plus 6.9. So answer is 46, and average of this 46 you get answer is 23. It means average of two elements, 6.9 plus 30.9 divided by 2. It means answer is 40 plus 6, 45.9. 45.9 divided by 2. So approximately you get 23, and 23 means atomic number of sodium. So here average atomic mass of lithium and potassium. So you get answer is sodium. So lithium, sodium and potassium all have a triads. So concept of this Dobenius is average atomic mass of two elements get answer, you get third element. So the answer is 23 of average of these two atomic mass. So 23 means sodium. So triads of lithium, sodium and potassium. Another triads find out by Cl, Br and I. So another Dobenius triads. So in similar way, another 2-3 triads can be find out and arranged. It means you can say that the properties of lithium is similar to their triads. It means sodium and potassium have a same property. It means you find out any one element property, so you can also say that same property for other two elements. It means lithium, sodium and potassium, all three elements have same chemical characteristic because it's a triads. In similar way, chlorine, bromine and iodine is also triads. So this can be known as a Dobenian triad. So first scientist to try classification of elements to attempt by Dobenian triads, and some limitation are present, means it's not applicable. In this time you mention element apply not all element, but some element can be fixed or fit at Dobenian triads. So next topic can be study next. So next scientist name is Newlands. We study next lecture. So prepare and ask in a BSQ question which are Dobenian triads. So you get average atomic mass of 2 and get answer is a third element atomic mass. So in this topic you can ask exam BSQ for this concept. Prepare, understand and read textbook sentence after watching